Hello, my name is Dr. Apollo of CSI. So today we will continue our discussion of management accounting. But before that, let's have the basics of accounting before we delve into full-blown management accounting. So we have types of accounting. One of them is, oh, by the way, we have already defined accounting, right? It's about concerned with about recording transaction for reporting. So the output of accounting actually is a report that is to be used by the management in making decision in the business. So that's the basic purpose of accounting. It's the barometer of the business. It tells whether the company is making or not making. So this is the report. Accounting is about decision. So it's a serious topic. It's about numbers. Okay, but that's the ultimate purpose of accounting. So there are many types of accounting. One of them is financial accounting. So here prepares financial statement for external users. Actually, internal also. Basically, it's an internal. External users, investors. They wanted to see if the company history is making or not. For creditors also. So they want to see if the company is also performing. And regulatory bodies for reporting for the tax, IRS, no, or Bureau of Internal Revenue. So those are the for the financial accounting. And then we have another types. We have managerial accounting. This is our subject. So it's about management accounting. For management provides internal reports to help management with decision making. So every day, no, uh, manager look for the records and identify, analyze, no, identify is analysis. Identify which segment of the product is is making sales and what to do, which product is not making. No? So also in the inventory, which item is not fast moving, slow moving, and not moving. And uh, for tax also payroll. So that's a concern of the internal reports. So basically, it's a report, but a report that representing the operations. That's the accounting used by the management. We have tax accounting, focus on tax returns and tax planning. So they wanted to apply for they wanted to control the taxes so that they can take advantage. So, but also they have to have a return. Otherwise, they will be subjected to tax evasion. So, they look for tax avoidance. Auditing also. So, involves examining financial records for accuracy and compliance with laws. No? So, there is a general accepted accounting principle, GAAP, or the IFRS. No? So, these are external auditors are hired to checks whether the uh, operation is making, because sometimes why they are looking for external auditors, because internal auditors can circumvent, so it's bias, no, they cover up, but external, so they can check the objectivity of uh, of the records, because this is money. So we have basic financial statements. We have income statement shows revenue, expenses, and profit. So it shows how much is the income, how much is the expenses, and the profit over a period of time, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, annually. No? So actually, is the income statement. It's the focus of the management. They have to see if something happened with the business. If the velocity of sales is very slow, or they want to accelerate. So management will look into the records, and then as per records, if it is a problem, so they call the sales to do something, to push the sales. They wanted to have more and more. Yeah, because that's the management. They are paid for to make profit. But again, they need records. So income statement. This is a very basic records in the accounting income statement prepared by the bookkeeper. So done.